went to a Tony Robbins seminar years ago, and he started talking about the first time he helped somebody quit smoking. And what he did is he got this guy a whole carton of cigarettes, and he sits him down on the bed. And Tony Robbins is a giant of a man. And he tells the guy, okay, light one up and smoke it. The guy's like, I thought we were supposed to. So now this giant of a man is hollered in your face, you're gonna smoke this cigarette. And the guy starts puffing away, and he tells him, okay, put it out. Now, take out 2. Light them up. Smoke them. And anytime the guy tried to backtalk him, he gave him his, do it. Pretty quick, this guy's got a wad of cigarettes, and he's... And Tony just keeps the process going. Pretty quick. After that much coughing and half vomiting, the guy goes, no. Tony gives him the do it. And the guy gets up, gets in his face, and goes, you can't make me smoke 'em. And he smiles, and here you go. Guy never smoked again. This is kind of the attitude that we're doing with this horse, is that we're trying to push his buttons until the point where he goes, you can't bother me. I'm too confident. And we go, well, I always knew you were brave. This is the game that we're playing. We don't want to be demanding. We don't want to scare him into it. That's not nice. But we want to push his buttons to where he makes up his mind and owns, I am not going to be bothered anymore. You can't make me be silly. And that's how we get progressive in teaching confidence.